Work at home concept one, this is very important. If you see, there are plenty of people especially in content writers, just who are good in English. They are very much succeeded in this particular work at home concept one. So this is none other than blogging. Yeah, blogging majorly, like up to last 3-4 years back, just only English people are used to get good revenue in this. English people, in the sense, people who are able to write the content in English. Now just you can write the blogs in other languages also. So don't confine only English is required. But of course, English, if you have the writing skills in English, definitely it is an added advantage. There is no kind of any issue in that. If you have the writing skill in English, it is an added advantage. And my dear friends, so better to transform your English skill. Especially I'm not talking about spoken English. Just written English is very important at online business. It doesn't mean that without English you can't do anything. But if English is there, written English is there, you can do some miracles. Okay, so that to create,
that will be helpful.
Yeah, helpful. And creative writing is something very important. Creative writing, in the sense, if you see the YouTube, there are many videos are coming, but few videos are having more engagements, few videos are not having more engagement. The reason behind that is the thumbnail is also plays a vital role. In thumbnail there is some engaged content, so means you will lose the complete money. So that kind of title is there, means what I will lose, immediately they will click that particular YouTube. So means it should be some engaging, the content should be some engagement, it should give some engagement to the people, some interaction to the people. Okay, anyways, so that is different issue. Now coming to the blogging. So my point is, what are the parts? So I am classifying blogging into two parts. So number one is part one. In part one, again, there are 3 steps. Part one, 3 steps. Part one, part two also 3 steps. There are 2 parts. Part one, part two. Part one, 3 steps. Part two, 3 steps. And part one is setup of blogging. So how to set up a blogging, how to be like, how you like establish yourself as a blogger. So that is the setup of blogging. So let's go with the flow. Step one, this is the part one setup of blogging. And in part one, there are 3 points, 3 steps. Step one is find out the niche. We pronounce it is niche, N-W-E-S-H, but the spelling is N-I-C-H-E. Niche, in the sense, the meaning of that is some in internet we people are using, especially the bloggers. So niche is something like we can represent it word for the category, the classification of content, or classification of our business. So find out the niche means you should understand who you are. So what are the things you like very much? So which kind of content you can generate? So what is your passion? So there are so many things you need to think and come up with your niche. So for example, if for me, if anybody is giving me a option to select, definitely I can select some business, how to do business, how to run the business. So business is my niche. And in our people, for example, our Ravi is there, Hyderabad School of Banking. He's also in our student, one of our student. So for him, if I'm asking him, he can I give the option to write a blog. He might choose mathematics or something, or some any kind of competitives, something like that. So person to person it might vary, but we should understand first what is that, why it is that. So why it is, because every day just we need to pump some content. If we don't have much interest, we don't have knowledge in that, we don't pump much content every day. So that better to come up.
Yes, sir. Sir, small question, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, can I ask a question now?
Yeah, you can ask.
Yeah. So when we, I mean, as you are telling us that it depends, the niche depends on the category and the clarification of the content what we want to put it, isn't it?
Yeah.
So is it related to any one topic, or can we, enter 2 or 3 topics?
So it depends. It depends. Generally, industry says that if you are, for example, if I am having knee pain, so I am in previous days. Generally, we used to go for a general physician. He can write some medicine. But in these days, we are trying to find out the specialized person. So means
Yes.
as compared with the generic, so nowadays more value is for some specific. So segmented wise, the people are classified. So that if you are in the proper segment, people will recognize easily, and you will get some kind of good business easily. So even for you also to establish yourself very easy. So if you are taking many things again, so you need to, for example, coming to me, I am into digital marketing, I am into fashion, I am into events, means it's not a good kind of approach in these days. So what will happen, I am diluting my time to concentrate on multiple things, so that I'm not able to concentrate on one specific thing. So because of that reason, I won't make it very big. If I have only one option with me, so definitely I can make it big. So that my suggestion to each and everyone, so better to come up with one particular area. So that is
Sure.
So now, as per my knowledge, now Mr. Haridhar is also there with us. He is one of our student. He is English faculty. Maybe he can take. So it doesn't mean that because you are English faculty, you should start English blog.
Yes.
Anything, because passion is different, profession is different. So profession, it is something like.
That's what I was saying, because. Because I do deal with like 3 subjects. So as a trainer, I give abacus training, I give handwriting, handwriting, as a handwriting counselor, I give handwriting, and as an NLP trainer, I give even NLP. So that is the reason I have asked you this question.
Then definitely you can make it. You can start your personal blog. In this, there are 3 categories. Each category also you can utilize, because you have just your baby with you. So means there are 3 verticals. So you can make it. So definitely it is welcome, most welcome. So for that there is no kind of any issue. So this is somewhat.
My other doubt is, can we have blog of 3 names? Suppose I want to use a black for max, another for reasoning.
Right. Definitely.
Different blogs for different categories, na?
Yeah. Categories you can place. Ravi Kumar, you can place. You can place. And now here, so before starting blog, just I am seriously informing one constructive message which I told yesterday. From blog, earning is possible, but it takes a lot of time. So if you are okay for that, so even though easy money, I'm not looking for fast money, but at least we should get after 2-3 months, right? So but blogging in that that also might not be possible. So blogging is very slow, very slow. But if you have the passion to write, not for income, just for to satisfy your passion, then you can start with blogging. Definitely one fine day you will get the income.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, that is the beauty of this thing, right? You don't chase, you don't try to get the money initially. You will start working to prove yourself, to establish your knowledge and to exhibit your knowledge and fulfill your passion. So go with the flow. And one find a really, if you are having the same tendency, what I am saying, not thinking about money, thinking about your passion, thinking about your knowledge and going with the flow, so definitely there is a day, that day money will knock your door. So once it is knocking your door, means it doesn't stop. So every month you will get some check from the Google or from any kind of third party websites. So that is the beauty.
Yes, sir.
So but
Yeah.
90% of the people, even me also, I was not taking it is very seriously, and I didn't start any blog because it will take a lot of time. So that is the human tendency. We need to overlap that weak point. We need to overcome with that weak point, then we can. Now I'll exhibit, there are plenty of people, I will explain plenty of people how they are earning. Seriously they are earning, even every month, few people like Amit Agrawal and some boss, they are more than 60 lakhs 70 lakhs also every monthly income, I am saying, not yearly income. So for listening these words, we are astonishing, but it is reality. Okay, now all of you come up with step one, find out your niche. And the other girl, Preeti is there in class. Preeti, okay, yeah, maybe so they have muted, many people muted, no problem. So Preeti and other guys, Mr. Narendra, and so there are other people, right? So you also come up with a good niche. So what is niche means? These are all the niche categories. Environmental, if I like very much environmental, you can come up with environmental. Technology bloggers, there are hundreds of bloggers, technology bloggers, all are doing good, because nowadays mobile, we have the mobile, so there are hundreds of articles for mobile phone. Every mobile model comes with one article, right? In every feature comes with one article. So means there are hundreds of things in technology. So those guys established a lot. And music, so it is a universal subject. You can plan something, but music is not so easy like others. And fashion, it seems that girl, who is that, Soumita, because she is she likes very much fashion, and she is into fashion. She can take that. In fashion again, in fashion again, we have so many categories.
Yes, it's many things will come in. I mean, it's the idea is makeup, or it's the jewelry, or it's about dresses. Everything. So that's only I want to ask, because when niches is divided into many things, but we can use anything in that. Means in fashion we can write anything, no, sir. That is not particular.
Anything.
It is not particular that only for makeup or only for jewelry.
No.
Okay.
No, it's not like that. Anything can be done. Anything can be done. So here point is, I'll dig into next level also, so that you will understand. If we are segmenting our activity, what is the plus point and minus point? Okay. And next thing is engineering. Is one category. Engineering, so many people not having any interest, some kind of robotics, you can say, some kind of mechanics, and some what it is, construction, the civil construction. And travel and tourism, it is also very good. People are having more fun in this. People are expecting many people. And health and fitness, this is very leading actually. So in all 7 categories what I have mentioned, health and fitness is leading, and second is technology. And so the remaining all fashion and other things are also important. And now you have another homework. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are not only 12, you can come up with 20 categories also, niche. So, and now step 2 is, this is step 1. For example, Soumita is coming up with fashion. Step 1 is completed. Number 2, step 2 is domain name. Domain name is something like the website name, identity of the website. And like that, or else you can come up with one brand also. Lebnol.org is one reputed blog. It gives some kind of technology article, but 99% people don't think that how it related to technology, but it works. So brand, you can create one brand per blog, or else you can come up with a niche name which includes the domain. You got my point?
Yes.
For example, Ravi Garu is wanted to come up with maths and reasoning or something like that. So he can start a domain name mathsandreasoningblog.com. So if he find the domain name, so means finding the domain name is also not so easy because the availability of domain name is very difficult nowadays. Now just it is too late for us. Already 20 years back, internet has come. Thousands of bloggers are there, lakhs of bloggers are there. Now just we wanted to start our contest. Now it's not so easy, and we are not able to find proper domain names also, since already they registered by someone. Even they are maintaining or not maintaining, but they blocked. So now your task is finding the best domain name, best brand for your blog. So in all of my students who are listening to this class, anyone is having their blog name or personal, if you are interested to run any blog or something, I'm asking a question. Anyone is having any idea about your brand?
Sir, hello.
Yeah, చెప్పండి వింటున్నాను.
సార్ సాఫ్ట్ స్కిల్స్ మీద బ్లాగ్ చేయొచ్చా?
హ్యాపీగా సాఫ్ట్ స్కిల్స్ కూడా చేయొచ్చు. సో మీరేం చేస్తారంటే రేపు వచ్చినప్పుడు ఒకటి నాకు యూ షుడ్ కమ్ అప్ విత్ మోర్ నీషెస్ కేటగిరీస్, అండ్ ఇంకోటి ఏంటంటే యూ షుడ్ కమ్ అప్ విత్ యువర్ డొమైన్ నేమ్, యువర్ బ్రాండ్. అండ్ స్టెప్ 3 is website designing and hosting. So website designing and hosting, you have the domain name because you blocked something and you found some niche and everything is fine. What else we required? Your website is supposed to get ready. And website designing, once website is getting designed, that website we should place somewhere at internet. That is called hosting. These 3 are basic steps. So in the part of setup of blogging, so this is part 1, setup of blogging. There are 3 points: find out niche, and domain name, and website designing and hosting. Okay. And coming to the part 2. So once you have constructed one good blog with some proper domain name, please mute all of you. Some noise is coming. So functionality of blogging. So how we make it functioning blogging. So part 1 is completed, my dear friends. So anyone is having interest, just ping me after this class in WhatsApp. In group message only you should ping, so that other people are also will come to know. So if okay, functionality of blogging. What is the functionality? How can we make the functioning of blog? So this is the part 2. In part 2, the step 1 is daily update of the content. Daily update of the content. So daily update means every day you should write one small content, at least 300 words content. So which can be exhibited on your blog. So and also people should read that blog. So means that requires some readability, that requires some creative writing, informative. So it should be very informative. If you are writing some kind of paragraphs without giving any proper information, without any screenplay in the sense, the first line, brief introduction, and what next, what is the conclusion. There is a proper kind of writing is required. So you can learn how to write the blogs from the sources. We have Google with us. Hundreds of websites are there. You can track the blogs, how they are writing. So there is no proper syntax. There is no rule that so this blog should write in this way only. So blog can be written in any ways, n number of ways. It depends upon the creativity of you and your vertical. But our major and final destination is people should read that blog. So once you are writing one kind of approach, one kind of writing, if people are not reading that blog, then you can think that you should change the style of the writing. So this is the step one, daily update of the content. So Ravi Garu or else Madhavi, anyone, if you don't get the content, no worries, Google is there. We can copy, seriously we can copy. But what you should do is you can revise the things. So you can write in your words. So that's it. So daily update of content. So you people are interested for that, then only you can move forward. Or else better to ignore this blogging. But seriously, I am saying already I told and already I will tell also the same again and again. Blogging is not so easy, but one fine day, money will knock the door. Once it will start, it won't end. Every month you will get. That is the beauty of blogging. Okay, right. And step 2 is doing SEO and digital marketing. So once you are writing the blog, it is very happy and people are watching and you are also getting satisfied. But you need more reach. That blog should read hundreds of people, thousands of people. How it can be happened? So to do some digital marketing and SEO. To do some digital marketing and SEO. So you don't.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, SEO. I want to know what is SEO.
Yeah. SEO is search engine optimization. Search engine optimization that can be given to you again. So please mute. Noise is coming. Okay. Doing SEO. SEO is something search engine optimization for everything. Just I will give information. Even I wanted to give material also so that you can read again and again. SEO is search engine optimization and digital marketing. So both are in the same phase, but we should use to increase the visibility of our blog, to increase the visitors of our blog. So this is also mandatory. And for your information, you will learn both two things also. So if you are interested, you can kick start. And step 3 is engagements. Engagements is what is engagements? Engagements is something like people are started interacting with you. Started interacted in the sense they questioned something about some information while you have written one blog. So immediately you should give proper answer for them. So that is engagement. If someone has given a compliment, so you should give thanks. So that is engagement. Sometimes while doing digital marketing, you can conduct some poll. For example, in fashion, you wanted to start one makeup blog or something. So you can exhibit some actress Kareena Kapoor with some different makeup. 3 makeups of Kareena Kapoor you can exhibit in social media. You are asking the followers which makeup you like it very much. So that is engagement. Here creativity plays a vital role. So if you are more creative person, then step 3 is a cup of tea for you. Or else you should enhance your skills, how to get the engagements, how to increase the interactions, how to increase the some kind of communication with your followers or your likes or something. So these 3 are another thing. Yeah, now you can ask me in blogging. Setup of blogging is somewhat easy because I am here, our classes are here. You can set up a blog. So that is a part 1. There are 3 points in part 1. One is choose the niche. now already you have chosen one particular niche, and second one is domain name. Tomorrow you are coming with your domain name, that also completed. And third one, website designing and hosting. You will learn website designing and hosting, so that also will be done. So part one, I don't have any issues, but part two is the very important. So in this particular part two, there are 3 steps. So daily update of the content, seriously think about you, and you should have long-term vision in this. So if you have short-term vision, you don't go with blogging. Daily update of the content, so it is for mandatory. And step 2 is doing SEO and digital marketing. So means how it can be every day, just you are utilizing your time 1 hour for lunch break, right? 1 hour, 6 hours or 7 hours for sleep. So in the same way, you should give at least 2 hours for this blogging. So if you are able to give 2 hours minimum for blogging to write one content and update and digital marketing, then only you will move forward. So or else better to ignore this blogging. And third one is engagements. More creative people can will be done more things. And one more thing, so in group also you should give me the messages, as many as possible I'll answer. And I now just you can ask any questions for this. Now all people
Yes.
can come. Yeah, all people can unmute.
Sir, I have one question actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.